The internet has changed the way people work, earn money, and build careers. A few years ago, most Kenyans believed that getting a good income required securing a traditional office job. Today, that belief is changing rapidly. Thousands of people are earning money online by offering freelance services to businesses, entrepreneurs, and organizations around the world. Freelancing has opened opportunities for students, graduates, employed individuals seeking extra income, stay-at-home parents, and anyone willing to learn a valuable skill. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is that many high-income skills can be learned without spending large amounts of money. In fact, many successful freelancers started with nothing more than a smartphone, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Free educational resources, video tutorials, online communities, and artificial intelligence tools have made it easier than ever to acquire marketable skills within a short period. The demand for freelancers continues to grow because businesses are increasingly operating online. Companies need websites, social media content, marketing campaigns, customer support, videos, articles, graphics, and many other services. Instead of hiring full-time employees for every task, many businesses prefer working with freelancers. This creates opportunities for skilled individuals regardless of where they live. For Kenyans, freelancing offers an additional advantage. Many online clients pay in dollars, pounds, euros, and other stronger currencies. When converted into Kenyan shillings, even small freelance projects can provide meaningful income. A single project worth $100 can translate into several thousand Kenyan shillings, making freelancing attractive for those seeking financial growth. The good news is that you do not need years of training to begin. Some skills can be learned to a marketable level within 30 days if you dedicate time each day to learning and practice. The key is choosing a skill that businesses need and focusing on practical application rather than endless studying. One of the most accessible freelance skills is search engine optimization content writing. Businesses constantly need articles, blog posts, website pages, product descriptions, and other forms of content. Every day, millions of people search for information online, and companies want their websites to appear in search results. This creates a strong demand for writers who understand how to create useful and search-friendly content. Content writing is suitable for many Kenyans because it primarily requires good communication skills and consistent practice. During the first week, a beginner can learn the basics of search engine optimization, keyword research, and article structure. During the second week, they can practice writing different types of content. The third week can focus on improving readability and formatting. By the fourth week, a learner can create a small portfolio containing several sample articles. Businesses value writers who can explain complex ideas in simple language. They also appreciate writers who understand customer needs and can produce content that encourages readers to take action. A beginner content writer may earn anywhere from 500 Kenyan shillings to 5,000 Kenyan shillings per article, depending on experience and project requirements. As skills improve, earnings can increase significantly. Another high-demand freelance skill is social media management. Businesses understand that customers spend a large amount of time on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X. Maintaining an active social media presence requires planning, creativity, and consistency. Many business owners do not have the time to manage their accounts effectively, which is why they hire freelancers. A social media manager helps create content, schedule posts, respond to comments, analyze performance, and grow online communities. Learning this skill within 30 days is achievable because many free tools simplify the process. A beginner can start by learning how different social media platforms work. They can then practice creating content calendars, designing simple graphics, and understanding engagement metrics. The earning potential is attractive because businesses often pay monthly retainers. Instead of completing a single project, a social media manager may work with the same client continuously. Even one client paying 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month can provide a solid starting point. With several clients, the income can grow considerably. Video editing has also become one of the most valuable freelance skills in the modern digital economy. The popularity of short-form videos has transformed online marketing. Businesses, influencers, and content creators need engaging videos to capture attention and communicate messages quickly. As a result, skilled video editors are in high demand. Learning video editing no longer requires expensive software. Several free tools allow beginners to create professional-looking videos. During the first few days, learners can understand basic editing concepts such as cutting clips, adding transitions, adjusting audio and incorporating text. As confidence grows, they can experiment with visual effects, subtitles, and storytelling techniques. The best way to learn video editing is through practice. A learner can download free footage, edit sample projects, and publish their work online. By the end of 30 days, they can create a portfolio showcasing different styles of editing. Clients are often more interested in seeing examples of work than formal qualifications. Depending on complexity, beginner editors may charge between 1,000 Kenyan shillings and 10,000 Kenyan shillings per video. Graphic design remains another excellent opportunity for freelancers. Every business needs visual communication, whether it is social media graphics, advertisements, business flyers, presentations, logos, or promotional materials. Attractive design helps businesses stand out. Modern design platforms have made graphic design much easier to learn than in the past. A beginner can start by understanding design principles such as alignment, color selection, spacing, and typography. They can then create sample projects for imaginary businesses. Consistent practice helps develop creativity and confidence. Over time, a designer learns how to create visuals that communicate messages effectively. Graphic designers often enjoy flexible work because projects vary widely. One client may require social media graphics, while another needs marketing materials for a product launch. This diversity keeps the work interesting and provides multiple income opportunities. Even simple design projects can generate several thousand Kenyan shillings each month. Artificial intelligence automation and prompt engineering represent one of the newest and fastest-growing freelance categories. Businesses are increasingly adopting artificial intelligence tools to improve productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and reduce costs. However, many organizations lack the expertise needed to use these tools effectively. This creates opportunities for freelancers who understand how artificial intelligence works. Prompt engineering involves creating clear instructions that help artificial intelligence systems generate useful results. Automation involves connecting tools and processes to reduce manual work. A beginner can learn these concepts through free tutorials, experimentation, and hands-on practice. Within 30 days, they can develop practical skills that help businesses save time and improve efficiency. This field offers significant earning potential because many organizations are actively seeking guidance on artificial intelligence adoption. Freelancers who understand both business needs and artificial intelligence tools can position themselves as valuable problem solvers. Project fees can range from several thousand Kenyan shillings to much larger amounts depending on complexity. Website development using WordPress is another skill that can generate consistent income. Millions of websites worldwide use WordPress because it is flexible, user-friendly, and powerful. Many small businesses need websites but cannot afford large development agencies. Freelancers who can create professional websites therefore remain in demand. A beginner does not need advanced programming knowledge to start. Learning how to install WordPress, customize themes, create pages, optimize website speed, and improve search visibility can be enough to secure entry-level projects. By building sample websites, learners can demonstrate their capabilities to potential clients. Website development often commands higher fees than many other beginner-friendly freelance skills. A simple business website may generate income ranging from 15,000 Kenyan shillings to 100,000 Kenyan shillings or more, depending on project scope. This makes WordPress development an attractive option for individuals seeking higher value opportunities. Virtual assistance is another skill that deserves attention. Many entrepreneurs and business owners struggle to manage administrative tasks while growing their businesses. They need support with scheduling appointments, responding to emails, conducting research, managing customer inquiries, organizing data, and handling other routine responsibilities. Virtual assistants help businesses operate smoothly by taking care of these essential tasks. The role requires strong organization, communication, and reliability rather than highly technical knowledge. Many beginners find virtual assistants appealing because they can leverage existing skills while learning new tools and processes. The demand for virtual assistants continues to grow as remote work becomes more common. Businesses appreciate having dependable support without hiring full-time staff. Monthly earnings often range from 15,000 Kenyan shillings to 80,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on experience and responsibilities. Learning any freelance skill successfully requires a structured approach. The first week should focus on understanding the fundamentals. During this stage, learners should watch tutorials, read educational materials, and familiarize themselves with important concepts. The goal is building a strong foundation rather than rushing through information. The second week should emphasize practical application. Instead of consuming endless content, learners should begin creating projects. Writers can produce articles, designers can create graphics, and video editors can edit sample footage. Practical experience reinforces learning and builds confidence. The third week should focus on portfolio development. Clients want evidence of skills. A portfolio demonstrates competence and professionalism. Even if projects are self-created, they can showcase ability and creativity. A strong portfolio often matters more than certificates when seeking freelance opportunities. The fourth week should concentrate on client acquisition. Freelancers can create profiles on popular platforms, network through professional communities, connect with local businesses, and share their work online. Taking action is essential because opportunities rarely appear without effort. One common mistake many beginners make is trying to learn multiple skills simultaneously. This approach often leads to confusion and slow progress. It is generally more effective to choose one skill, focus intensely on it for 30 days, and build competence before exploring additional areas. Another mistake is waiting until everything feels perfect before seeking clients. Perfection is not required to start freelancing. Most successful freelancers improved their skills through real projects and practical experience. Taking action, accepting feedback, and continuously learning are more valuable than endless preparation. Communication is another factor that separates successful freelancers from struggling ones. Clients appreciate clear communication, timely updates, professionalism, and reliability. Even highly skilled freelancers may lose opportunities if they fail to communicate effectively. Developing strong communication habits therefore contributes significantly to long-term success. The future of freelancing in Kenya looks promising. More businesses are moving online, artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities, and remote work continues to gain acceptance globally. These trends suggest that demand for skilled freelancers will remain strong for years to come. For anyone considering freelancing, the most important step is simply beginning. Choose one skill that matches your interests, dedicate 30 days to focused learning, practice consistently, create a portfolio, and start reaching out to potential clients. The journey may not be easy at first, but persistence often produces rewarding results. The digital economy rewards individuals who solve problems, create value, and continuously improve their abilities. Whether you choose content writing, social media management, video editing, graphic design, artificial intelligence automation, website development, or virtual assistants, your success will depend on your commitment to learning and action. The opportunities exist, the resources are available, and the potential rewards can be substantial. The next 30 days could be the beginning of a completely new income stream and a more flexible future. /span/p/body